Hey, it's Zach. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for watching Nolan's 5th month of memories. We're really excited to be able to share this with you and keep it as a keepsake that we can look back on in the future. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. I hope you enjoy the video.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Are you ready to go on your first plane ride? Yes!
Oh, it kind of hurts. He's gnawing on your chin. Oh. Hello. That's
Talk.
Mom's chin.
Of mine. I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Boom, boom, boom. No, I'm gonna let it shine. No, I'm gonna let it shine.
Hi.
Extremely hard this year. I think as the season went on, he just continued to take accountability and there's nothing the Chiefs can do about it. Chiefs have had an incredible season. So many.
Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Wow!
Nolan. I'm nervous, but I'm excited.
Just make sure it's not a chunky piece.
Here, ready? What do you think? What do you think? Did you like that? You like it? Do you like that? Yes? Do you want more? We need some spoons, huh? What do you think? Do you like that? Yes?
Today is February 24th, 2025. Nolan is 20 weeks old. Eating his first real food.
Yeah. Oh. No. Oh. How much are you actually getting? We don't know.
You're gonna have 6 calories worth of a banana today. Look, this is what you're eating.
that. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy.
Good job, dude. That was awesome. I know it's close because it sniffs and blows, but where's my nose? I've looked on the floor, I've looked on the chair, under the couch, and everywhere. I've looked high, I've looked low. Where do you suppose my nose would go? There you are. Where's Nolan? There he is. Hello.
Feel down, not with so many friendly moons around. Dry red Mars looks a little bit rusty. All those storms can make a planet dusty. But the fourth little planet never sheds a tear. It has the tallest mountain of any planet here.
Peekaboo! Oh, peekaboo! Oh, peekaboo! Are you gonna do it again? Oh.
Let's talk camera here, so of course you are going.
Honor the mayor inside. That's important. Move aside. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Up for the taxi screeched with the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue. For goodness sakes, you might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go, right? Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave his cough and the engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride? You getting in? He's getting in his eyes.
No steps. There you go. Good boy. Hi. Good steps, that boy. Good job. Yeah, you're doing it. Good job, dude. I'm videoing him right here. Yeah. Wow. Good job. Look how far you went. You went all the way to the camera. Aw. And you don't even see the camera. Usually gets camera shy. Close-up shot. Careful. Don't hit your head. Fly again?
Before he says something,
Hi.
Got my nose. Boo. Boo. What you doing, dude? What's going on? He's learning how to be on his tummy, aren't ya?
Whoa! Whoa! Can you growl for Aunt Joanne?
Hi, Aunt Joanne.
Growl for her. Good job.